We're gonna make a Texas chocolate cake. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we need 2 cups of sugar. This is 1.5. Ooh, that's a lot of sugar. And a half makes 2.
Yeah, man.
So you're gonna take that and you're gonna mix up the flour and sugar together. Add in 1 stick of melted butter. I'm gonna kind of put me a little hole in the center there. 1 stick of melted butter. Combine this together. Okay, now that you've got that, you're gonna add in the rest of your ingredients. We've got 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of Wesson oil, 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Make sure this is buttermilk. See how thick that is?
Mm-hmm.
And 2 eggs. A teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna get that stirred up before we put our last ingredient in. Now we're going to add in 3.5 tablespoons of Hershey's cocoa.
Probably the most important ingredient.
Yes, since it is a chocolate cake.
Pretty good.
Okay, now that we got it all stirred up, we're gonna put it in a 9 by 13 greased dish. It's stirred pretty good, it's got bubbles. Do too good upside down, but I did get it a little bit. Now we're gonna bake this for, it says 25 minutes,
All right.
but we will check it.
25 minutes at 350, right?
Yes. While our cake's baking, we're gonna make our icing. You're gonna take 1 stick of margarine, put it in a pot, and we're gonna have it melt, and then we'll add our stuff to it. While our butter is melting, we're gonna go ahead and combine our dry ingredients, which is a 16-ounce bag of the confectionate sugar. Put it in a bowl with 3.5 tablespoons of cocoa. We've got our 1/2 cup of milk that we're gonna add in here with our butter. You're gonna bring that to a boil. Okay. Now we're gonna take this, pour it in with our cocoa and powdered sugar. Now, I believe it says pour this over your warm cake.
Mm-hmm.
We will be adding a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, our teaspoon of vanilla. Maybe just a little bit extra. Since your cocoa is not sweetened, that vanilla will help that.
Oh, yeah. All right, looks like it's ready.
Okay, there's our
Ooh,
chocolate cake.
looks perfect.
Looks good. Now we're going to come over here, and it says put the icing on while it's still hot. So we've got our cake there. We've got our icing here from the cocoa and powdered sugar. Now we're going to drizzle it on our cake.
Oh, this looks like a good chocolate cake.
It does. Why are you putting it? Okay. That should be scrumptious.
All right, come back in a minute.
Oh my gosh, this looks so amazing.
Thank you. I'm gonna try it. I don't know why I cut it like this, but I'm gonna try this.
Not either. You're messing up a good cake.
It looks good.
I'll take this whole corner, but you know. All right,
Oh, it looks
It
moist.
does
let's
look
try
nice.
this Texas chocolate cake. That's a good moist cake.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.